Togozani guys, sorry I was live a few minutes ago. As I've said, I'm in a place whereby I don't know. Kodwa ayilebe ngasi network buffet ngiphelele idatha. Like ngiphelele idatha ngamangalo. Data that's depleted. Ngathi yo, but anyway, I deleted the previous one so ngizoqalela phansi. Sengijwayele kami guys, la ngizokhuluma khona nge-Wi-Fi, so la ngikhona befethu asikhulume ngiqinise ngiphelele idatha. Omunye bekazothi yo, my network is bad. Angina network guys. Na ndiphelele idatha. But now we back, we live. This is Ugogo Skhotheni insizwa iyakadlamini udokotela. But I don't like the word dokotelas. It makes me feel like I want to be Western. I don't want to modernize this gift. I want to modernize certain things, but I don't want to modernize being Ugogo. Anyway, as I was saying, guys, benkuluma about uqansi, sex, tobalano, itlof, utsava, iwatwat. NgesiXhosa. What do you say it in Xhosa? Yini ngesixhosa? Umbhedo. Ay. Yo ngesixhosa ngathi deep nyende. Soze nditsho. Ngesixhosa xa nithethe ngesixhosa ngathi deep. Anyway, welcome back guys. I want to talk about sex. I'm going to say izinto ezingakhona. So ask us if nizobona ngathi ngikhuluma izinto ezingekho right. Okay. Well, isex bafethu, isex into khona, isex into esenzayo, isex into emnandi. We can't run away from that. But we need to check the facts that comes with it. I know some will say, "Ay suka naye musuke walala nabo bani." So why azokhuluma manje just because she's married? It's okay. Ngizokhuluma now because when I was ukuthi mina ngangenzani previously, and how did I get out of that, and how did I make it? So okay, ngesixhosa bathi isondo. Oh, thank isondo. Oh, isondo. Ndizothetha ndesondo. But anyway, here it comes. Okay, omunye uzothi gogo, why do you guys keep on saying we must cleanse ourselves? I mean, I've been making love, I've been having sex for isikhathi eside. I've been making love for the longest time. With different people, and it hasn't affected me, especially when it comes to men, especially when it comes to a lot of men. They have the thing with dalang skepa. I've been dating, I've been doing this, but it has never affected me. Take a look at yourself. Has it ever affected your kids? Are your kids okay? Mabaphuma abantwana bakho bayohlola thola ukuthi izinto zibahambela kabi, they're gonna say isiko. There is no secret that is needed. Abantwana, they take the bad luck that you have during sex because umntwana is the product of who you are and they become what you are or whatever. And when it comes to us women, it affects us spiritually. We attract spiritual husbands through multiple sex that we have with different people. Ngicela ukuyisho kahle ngesizulu. Uma umuntu wesifazana awudalelwanga ukulala nabantu abanengi, abantu besilisa, noma ngabe lesbian awudalelwanga ukuthi lokuhlokolozwa abantu abanengi. Yindaba thina abantu besifazana sima carrier. We carry whatever that comes from a man outside. Thina abantu besifazana ama sperms ethu masiceda kuchama awangeni phakathi emadodeni. We carry this multiple spirits that at the end of the day they increase ama spiritual husbands labantu abalala nathi ebusuku lamatikoloshi asiphendule ebusuku, and akekho umuntu ozokulala kamnandi njengotikoloshi. That's a fact. Uyabona lento laliswa nayo ebusuku ikulala kamnandi ukudlula le ndoda ekushadile, ikulala kamnandi ukudlula le ndoda yakho. Uzuvuke soqhaqhazela uqhaqhazeliswa uqhama into ongakazi uyenze endodeni yakho. So now what is the cause? This is what I will say to you guys. The cause comes with us sleeping with multiple people. So I'm not saying that is the only cause, but sleeping with multiple people, it is the it's part of the package. It's one of the things out of the 10 things esiyenza ukuthi siqine sesiyenza lento leyo. Right? So when I'm talking about us as people, singabantu, right? How do we cleanse yourself? Normalize bathing with hot salt. Normalize bathing with any herbs. So this is what I'm going to say to you. Amadoda, they do struggle with spiritual wives, but not all of them, because they are not carriers. So Tina, 100% yabantu 99.9% yabantu besifazana, right? Baba suffer from a spiritual husband, but amadoda, I could say 50 or 40% of them, they struggle from that. So guys, I can see you always asking me to make a live video to prevent a spiritual husband. Another thing, guys, being horny, it is a problem. Ugulala uhorny, it is a problem. Because we invite our spiritual husbands. And guys, okay, let me correct it. Uma ngikhuluma about ama lesbians ukuhlokoloza. No, I'm not meaning ukuthi siyahlokoloza kabi. No, ama lesbians ngiwathanda kabi. Now, ama lesbian aseduzane kabi. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. So, nama pipe asihlokoloza. Yonke into nje engena ngaphansi umhlokoloza phakathi. Yeah, ihlokolozing. Every day we hlokolozing. Yeah, yonke into umhlokolozo. But asikho lapho. So this is what I'm going to say to you. If you sleep horny, I'm talking to women. Tell me if I'm lying. I'm a woman. Umulala uponyelwe, or if uzoponyelwe, labona labo hona ngibezwa. Akathi ke ngikhulume ngesizulu. Umulala uponyelwe. This is what happens. Isibeletho sakho, guys, siba buhlungu. Maybe you don't take note of that, but please, the minute you become horny, your mind circulates to lente efuna isibeletho sakho naso sisenza so, right? Siyenza lente esifunayo. That's why you get other people abakhona ukuzibamba mabaponyelwe. They just want to rape immediately. They just want to ucansa manje. So, as a woman, tell me if I'm lying. If ubahoni maso uqedile, if awulali nendoda, isibeletho sakho siyapena, guys. Kupena ngathi I don't know, ngathi akusima period, ngathi kunento esindayo uze ukuthi ngathi kubhlungu the following day. Take notes, zibheke wena. Akubonyelwe today, ubonyelwe but ungalali. Ubonyelwe ungalali nendoda. Ubone kusasa. Yovuka isibeletho sibhlungu, awusoba buhlungu namhlanje ebusuku before kushaya 12 if uzobonyelwa manje ngo7. Before kushaya 12 wena manje uyobe so bonyelwa isibeletho. So this is what happens. Le spiritual husband lesi uma sikubona ubonyelwe, a spiritual husband umuntu ophilayo but ongamboni physically. And then umulala silala now because siyakubona ukuthi uhoni yena wena ukhona ngulala nendoda yakho, right? Sizolala now the minute isithola isibeletho sakho sibhlungu, abanye sikubhebhe masiceda ukubhebha sikushiye isibeletho sakho siba buhlungu. That's why abantu besifazana abaningi baba manzi ngaphansi. Uba manzi in such a way that, yes, it is natural for us to be wet, but kuna lobu wet, lobu uncomfortable. You just wet no muhleli. You just wet no muyanga is next. Such things, guys, please, I beg you to take note, to also make sure uguti you take a step further before they happen. If sezenzekele already, please find help. It is not normal for you ukuthi isibeletho sakho sibe njalo. And again, to abantu besilisa, maniloko nishaya indlwabe kanengi, eventually mongasashaya indlwabe umpipo wakho uba buhlungu, right? You train your mind and yourself. And uma ungasashaya indlwabe, if uzolala uhoni, the spiritual wife will come and sleep with you. And lento leyo noma ungaba nompipo umthangalala omkhulu noma ungaba nompipo omncane, this thing does not go by size, right? It goes by feelings, affections, and knowing how to do it. But as a man, if you having this spiritual life, no matter what you do, no matter which angle you come with, you will not be able to satisfy a woman the way you should. Because you have a spiritual wife that sleeps with you. So you see, as a man, you struggle. Tina abafantu besifazane ngaba ne spiritual husband. Mangizolala nawe, mina kube yimi ongakufili, but wena ungifile. You see, that's the difference. The difference between a man and a woman. With us women, when the spiritual husband sleeps with us, they leave our cuckoos like that, or they damage our wombs. Then we become wet. It's okay. Fine, it's not okay, but it's sadlul. When it comes to men, it damages your private part in such a way that when you sleep with us, we can't feel you. So such things can be fixed not by amapilisi. They can be fixed by traditional healers. You need to get cleansed also uqiniswe. Uguthi ungabi nezinto ezizolala nawe ebusuku. Kuqiniswe amajaridi, kuqiniswe umzimba wakho. You prevent such things from happening to you. Sometimes you sleep with a person who has a spiritual husband or a spiritual wife, and then you take it from them. Iyazalana lento, iyandlula. Especially if you're gonna have sex with umuntu othwele, they leave these things with you. You end up having sex all the time, neslwane, with a spiritual husband or a wife. Please take note. Normalize cleansing yourself. Normalize cleansing yourself besides going to a sangoma. How do you get cleansed? Bath with hot salt, bath with any salt, bath with herbs. Ask around. You'll get help. Man, I plead you to also do that. I know you do. Even if you don't comment, I know I've got you guys. I know. Please do it. Women, normalize ukugeza ngezinto zesintu. Net deep iyasebenza. It deep. Do you know ukuthi deep iyasebenza? It deep, the normal deep. Uthatha deep uthi qonze emanzini wakho. You guys worry about small little things. Omunye uthi nginoku deep. Omunye uthi inini. Uxolela ukubhejwa isilwane kunokuthi unike deep. Which one is which? Some were like, no, angi emvuleni abo makhelwane bazothini. Okay, sharp leyo ngiyayizwa bazokubona bazokushutha. That's your private parts in. It's understandable. But nina niwanga nge-flu. Into that can be curable. Inhlupheko yakho iyokcure yini? Guys, now I think I've done my part. I help where I can. And I help those who want to help them. If you don't want my help, it's okay. If you feel like I'm bewitching you or I'm a witch, it's okay. If me bewitching myself gives me success, then, well, I'm doing it. Guys, normalize bathing yourself. You know, when it comes to sex, it is very, very important. It is very, very important. Eat deep, man. What do you call deep in English? Is it? It's deep.
Jay's fluid.
Yeah?
Jay's fluid.
Jay's fluid. Oh yeah, Jay's fluid. You're slung sing it lapho. Jay's fluid. Deep. Jay's fluid. Uyithi cha kancane. Specific herbs. I can't give you specific herbs. Go to anyone. Holy ash also does work when you bath with it. It helps when you bath with it. I've done so many videos. Check what is it that you can bath with. Check what is it that you can relate with. Check what is it that you feel. Right? Sometimes, guys, uhlala endlini. Ungaphumi ungayendawo. But the people that we date, bayaphuma. The people that we date, they meet people. The people that we date, they but this is life. So protect yourself. the only thing engikwatisayo ngani nifuna ukuthi isimo siyenzeke before siphakamela. Phakama, stand up for yourself before ukumoshe. Wafuna ukuze kumosheke. Kanti wena njalo you want to learn from your mistakes. Learn. No, observe before the mistakes happen. Don't let them happen. Ubonile ukuthi umngane wakho wenzakale so, don't let it happen. Ubonile ukuthi abantu bajikelwa amadlozi, don't let it happen to you. Observe, do right by you. Do what you need. Do what you want. Do what makes you happy. Do what makes you feel loved. Love yourself. By doing all these things, it's not witchcraft. You are loving yourself. It took time for me to love myself. But when I loved myself, people started talking. When I didn't love myself, they enjoyed the miserable me. But when I started understanding who I am and finding myself and preventing myself from such things, that's when I became unstoppable. I am not going anywhere. I am not going to stop. Do it. You know when I do this to myself, when I want to do something, I do this. I'm like, I'm going to do this. And I do it. Ngizogeza, and I do it. I'm going to bath, and I do it. I'm going to steep, and I do it. Ngizopalaza, and I do it. Do it. It doesn't matter how you do it. Just start. It doesn't matter how you do it. Just start. Take your life as if you are building a house. It's very difficult to build a house when you look at it from outside. But the minute you start, it becomes more difficult. But what is important is that you started and you'll want to finish. So you cannot do a foundation and leave it like that for other people to finish it. Foundation, do these things, but you human, you black. They see the importance and the power in the herbs that are there in the world. They use them without telling you. They make you forget about who you are. Come back, do it. Let me not be long. Today I'm busy. I'm having a very big ceremony. I love you all. I love you all. Ngithanda nonke. Forget the haters, forget what people say. Ngithanda nonke nana bangangithandi. I love you. Even if ungangithandi, do my rituals. For you to do my rituals doesn't mean you have to love me. You just have to have a pure heart. Even if you don't love me, it's okay. Just have a pure heart and do them. That's it. Some of you do these rituals. They will not happen. I'm a free-spirited person. Kak is kak, bullshit is bullshit. But I'm not perfect. If I do wrong, you tell me, I apologize, I move, I do something else better. I'm human. Just because I'm a Kobela does not mean I'm always right. Where I'm wrong, tell me. But if you post bad about me, I will not see the wrongness there. It's a problem. That's why you need to tell me. On the comment section, if you feel like I'm not doing right, call my PAs. Do this and tell them. So we listen. They'll pass the message. I listen. I'll do self-introspection. I'll apologize where needed. I'll do right. I'm human. At the end of the day, do not forget, I'm not God. I'll never be your God. Love your ancestors more than you love me, because they give me the mind, the knowledge, and the power to listen and to also give you rituals. Some of these rituals comes from the universe that wants to send messages to you, and I listen. So it's not my power that I do these things. It's not my what that I do these things. It's not my intelligence, but it's what my sisters gave. Love you guys. If you did not listen to this video, guys, take your time. Stop sharing nonsense. Take your time and listen and share it accordingly, so that when people ask you, you know how to explain. I love you all. Take care of yourself. Dintanda. Am I right? Causes are winning.